Hi guys, so today we'll talk about Finland jobs opportunity. I'll be sharing with you some of the websites that you can use to get jobs in Finland. There are quite a number of departments that you can apply without them asking for like college degree, and all you need is experience and skill or technical training. Okay, so guys, these jobs in Finland, for you to get one, you must be ready to have an exceptional CV and also try to apply uh, as much as you can for the position that you want. Remember, these jobs are not for those people who don't have anything else to do apart from waiting to travel with the jobs, because it doesn't you won't get the job immediately. You might get the job immediately, or you might not get the job you might not get the job immediately. So make sure by the time you're doing this application, you're ready to wait, you're ready to put in the work. Okay, the application process is not for those people who are not ready to apply and to check those website frequently. Okay, and some of these application, you cannot ask someone to help you because it's not like a one-time application. You have to apply in this site, check another site, try another site, apply, because I'm going to leave all those sites here. And by the time I'm bringing up a video here on YouTube, normally I've done my research. I have at least one, if not two, people who have gone to Finland through the process of applying for the jobs opportunity online, and they have visa sponsorship. Okay, so what you need to do is to identify your skills or what experience you have, check for those opportunity, and then apply. There are quite a number, I've written down them, there are quite a number of positions that I saw on those websites that are on high demand, that can give you a 1 year visa to go and work in Finland. And we can talk about construction. So if you're in construction, if you're a plumber, if you're a painter, if you're a mason, there are a number of jobs in Finland for you. And these jobs, you apply them from either the official website, a government website, and other sites that offer a platform for people who are outside Finland to apply for these jobs. They also need farm workers, people who can work in farms. They have a number of jobs opportunity there, jobs position that you can apply. So if that's a route that you want to use as a farm worker, like working in farm, picking fruits and all that, then this video will help you, because again, I said I'll leave the link on the description box of this video, because I don't want you to start looking for me and asking me for links. I'll leave them in this video. Okay, if you want to apply for jobs like cleaners, it's a job that just require technical experience. You don't need to have a bachelor degree, like you don't need to have that bachelor degree for you to qualify for this job. And you'll be cleaning in hospitals, anywhere. Okay, they're general cleaners. They have also warehouse workers jobs, so you can also check for them in the website that I'm going to leave. They have healthcare department. So if you're in healthcare department, if you're a nursing assistant, nurse, all those department in healthcare, they have a lot of opportunities for you guys. And last but not least, a food processing job, packers, those people who pack those food, like those people who work in the food processing companies. You know what happens there. So there are quite a number of jobs in Finland. So guys, what do you need to do? First of all, I will always tell you, if you're planning to relocate, have your passport with you. Have a passport, have a passport size photo. These are documents that you need to prepare, because you will need them when you're applying in some jobs position. Secondly, create an email specifically for jobs application. Okay, like create an email where that email is only for you, use it to apply for jobs, so that you can be able to be checking the email and see if there are responses or not. The other thing you need to do is to have a good CV and a cover letter. So that is something that you need to work on. And because they have a lot of opportunities on those sides, just decide on one. If you're in healthcare, if you're an assistant nurse, if you're a caregiver, write a good CV and then start looking for positions in that department of healthcare. If you're into construction, write a good CV. If you like, construction is general, right? If you're a plumber, write a good CV for plumber. If you're a mason, write a good CV for mason. If you're a painter, the same thing apply. Have a good CV and a cover letter. And then the next thing is to start applying for these jobs. As I've said, I'm insisting, I'll leave the links to those websites, and you can go through the website and check if there's something that fits you and apply. Okay, you can apply in different companies, but there is the same site, different companies, and see the ones that will take you, because these jobs comes with visa sponsorship, and you will get a 1 or 2 years visa, like 1 year or 2 years visa to go and work in Finland. And the moment you get there, you have the power to decide on who you're going to become or what you're going to do next, because the first thing is getting there, the next thing working, and then knowing what to do next. So guys, those are things that you need. And the other thing you should know, um, these jobs, you need to apply as many times as you can, and until you get shortlisted. Because as I've said, it's not a job that you're going to apply today with the hopes of getting selected tomorrow, doing the interview the next day, and then maybe after a month you're gone. No, it's a process, because you need to acquire a work permit after you get the job, after you do the interview, then apply for the visa, get the visa, and then start traveling. And when I mean visa sponsor visa sponsorship jobs, I mean, it's not like they're going to pay for everything, all your expenses. Some of these company will help you have the documents, like they will prepare your work permit, they will prepare your contract and everything. They'll send it to you, and then you'll have to pay for your medical, you'll have to pay for your visa fee, and sometimes you have to pay for your flight, depending on the employer or the company that is hiring you. So you have to put all these things in consideration. They're not like free jobs, and there's nothing free in this world, and free things are not good actually. So you need to put the effort, try as much as you can, and apply for these jobs. So the first website that we can use for this jobs application, let me list them for you, and then I'm also going to leave them in the description of this video. Is Jobly here. And then we have Staff Point. Okay, this is the website, Staff Point. You can use it for you applying for jobs in Finland. There's Borana is actually very common. Okay, I think I've talked about it before in one of my previous videos, and so many people get jobs through Borana. There is Doritory. Doritory is also another website that you can use to look for these jobs in Finland. There is also an official, an official website for Finland, like the government website where you can apply jobs, and it's jobsinfinland.fi. Okay, that is the official government portal. You can use it to look for these jobs. Okay, there's also easy.fi. Easy, I don't know if that's the pronunciation. Easy.fi. There's te underscore palvet.fi. I'm just writing them here for you to see the spellings, but I'm going to leave them on the description box of this video. And there's optim.fi for cares and support roles, that those people who want to apply for healthcare positions, okay, like caregivers, healthcare assistant. You can use optim.fi for those positions. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful to you. I hope it will help you land a job in Finland. And because so many people have asked me about Finland, and I cannot help you in any other way apart from sharing with you this information, and you taking part into researching, preparing your CV. If you have a problem with your CV, you can always reach out to me. I do that at a fee. I offer CV writing services. and then go ahead and apply. If you don't have a passport, a traveling passport, this is the time to start doing that. Start investing on a traveling passport, and then we'll be good to continue like sharing. I will continue sharing more opportunities in different countries, and you can try your best, your luck, because you never know where you're going to land. If it's Finland, well and good. If it's another country, well and good, because all that matters is you getting a place where you can earn your good money freely. So guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, share it with your friend, and make sure your bell icon is on so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. So thank you so much, and let me see you in our next one. Bye.